Hello, mic check, mic check. Can you hear me? Yo, so all the shots that you saw on the intro clip were recorded on my iPhone 15 Pro, mounted on the universal neck mount by Telesin. See, when it comes to the world of consumer tech, never say never, because there are many things that I used to look at and think to myself, I'll never need to use that I use religiously today. And one of those things are wireless iPhone microphones. You see, I used to think, and I still do think, that mirrorless cameras like the A6700 and above will always give you better quality when it comes to videos and photos due to one big thing, the sensor size. And although that is true, smartphones still do have their place in the media creation space these days. I mean, look at Apple and Samsung. They shoot in log, they shoot ProRes. You can color grade this footages in post and it won't look bad at all. Like what I'm doing right now, I'm recording on my iPhone still, and this is my Sony. Obviously, side to side, you'll see the difference, but I can still work with this. In recent times, I've contemplated buying an action camera to make POV style shoots. And I was just waiting for the right time to make the purchase. Meanwhile, all I needed was my iPhone 15 Pro. I got an email one morning from Telesin. This company, they make accessories and products for smartphone and mobile phone content creators. They said they wanted to send me a wireless microphone to test out. At first I was skeptical, but then I realized summer is here, I need to make POV street photography videos. So I said yes, but then I asked if they could send me a neck mount as well, because if I get the microphone to use with my iPhone, I don't want to make it handheld. I could as well put it on here, and when I asked for the neck mount, they said they'll send it as well. So yeah, I said yeah, it got to me in a few days. And when I used to set up the microphone and the neck mounts and made a POV video that I always wanted to make, my perception of iPhone videography totally changed. The audio from the microphone was really impressive. It has noise reduction features that can help you isolate your voice from the noisy background depending on where you're recording. If it's windy, it came with 2 windshields that you can use on these microphones. Meanwhile, it has 2 transmitters and 1 receiver that goes straight to the bottom of your iPhone via USB-C. It comes in a charging case and makes it work like the Apple AirPods. And this charging case stores power, so you drop in the transmitters and it charges it automatically. When you take out the receiver and connect it to your iPhone via USB-C, the transmitters connect to it automatically, so you don't have to do loads of calibration or settings in your smartphone. The transmitters have magnets on them, and there are extra clips in the packaging that you can use to clip to a shirt if you don't want to use the magnet features. The magnets are pretty strong. There's no way you're knocking this off if you're fastening to your shirt or anything like that. These Telesin wireless microphones are compatible with any device that uses USB-C. So your iPhone, your iPad, even your MacBooks or whatever device it is would let this work. I have a ROG Ally X and I tried this with it and it works. So these are very compatible. The mic claims to cover a range of 200 meters. I really don't know what that translates to in real life, but I do know I have put my camera on a tripod like this and walked really far away from it, and it was still recording. Battery life on this is said to be 18 hours. It might be more because obviously you're not using both of the transmitters at once, but if you are using both of the transmitters at once in like an interview scenario, rest assured you won't be outside shooting for 18 hours in a stretch. So that means if you're a YouTuber or you make content, you can use this for at least 2 days or 3 days without having to recharge the microphone case. When it comes to the build quality of these microphones, they are made of plastic. It doesn't feel cheap, it doesn't look cheap. They are reasonably small and they hide away nicely, just like this. The audio you've been hearing this whole time has been from this microphone, and the price is would I buy this microphone? I mean, if it's the option that you have, it serves its purpose, so why not? And when it comes to the universal neck mounts, this is made of bendable aluminum. So you see, it's on my neck right now, and it's got a rubber coating on it. So if I bend this, it stretches, you know, not stretch, but like it can change the shape and adjust to however you want to fit this. This is one of my favorite products ever since I started making YouTube videos, because I can just mount my phone in here and just take my bike out and record the whole thing. I can make a POV unboxing video from my iPhone. I think this is my favorite stuff from Telesin right now, and It has a quick release system that you press one button and the strap pops off like that. So you can put it back and put it on and take it out really easily without any hassle. It also has a lanyard. So in the case where you put your iPhone on the neck mount and you don't want your iPhone to fall off, this wasn't built for extreme sports. It's something that won't fall off because it even has a strap around it to put it around your body. So to make sure this stays exactly in place how you want it to stay, there's that strap and there's this lanyard to connect to your phone. So if your phone gets off the mount, which is very unlikely to happen, it just hangs off the lanyard and doesn't fall down to break. So let's say you're on a skateboard or you're on a bicycle and you're recording a POV. If you bump into something and your phone falls out of the mount, it's not going to fall to the ground because you have this lanyard. Personally, I know iPhones don't have lanyards, but if you have a case, if you have an iPhone case that has a lanyard slot and you put this in, you're Gucci. One thing to note is that this neck mount, obviously it's not a gimbal, but your iPhone or Samsung, whatever device that you use, Apple, Android, any phone made after like 2019, they do have in-body image stabilization, and the stabilization on smartphones like my iPhones are really, really good. So if you have your phone mounted on this, it won't be really shaky, but you have to walk carefully. So if you're moving and tilting your body, you will see those tilts in the footage. But if you're just walking and you're keeping your body upright, then you will be fine. So keep that in mind. If you're bending and you use this strap, you're fine. It'll go up and down. If you're walking and you tend to have a kind of footstep that makes you wiggle side to side, you will see it in the footage. So when you have your phone on here, if you're making a POV video, you gotta be conscious and just walk in a straight line and not walk like Daffy Duck. Anyways, they gave me an affiliate link to give to you guys. If you buy it, it'll be the same price, but I'll get a little commission off of that. So please, if you want to buy any of these products, the Telesyn microphone or the neck mounts, click on the link in the description, make your purchase, and it'll help me make more and more videos on here. This is England. It rains and the sun shines at the same damn time. I can see the sun coming out. I can see the rain falling. So I will be heading back home. I just came out to make this quick little video, and I'll see you again in the next one.